Yo, what is going on, guys? Before we get into the video, I just wanted to quickly mention that by the time you see this video, this niche ebook will be available for a very limited number of people. So there's only going to be 30 copies available. There's 30 niches inside. As you can see here, 24 low and no content niches and 6 high content niches. Each one is explained why it's a good niche. And yeah, you can see my royalties for the last 90 days here. So the question to ask yourself is, if you had the right niches, could you make your royalties do this? And I think the answer is yes, you could. So if you are interested, this ebook is only $30, only 30 people, and there's 30 niches inside, like I said. So click the link below and come and grab one before they are sold out. Yo, what is going on, guys? Hello and welcome back to the Residual Royalty Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you a secret method of finding niches. Now, this is going to be a super quick video. It's not going to take very long at all, but it's going to be super valuable. So what you're going to need for this method is Creative Fabrica and a Creative Fabrica subscription. If you don't have one, they're offering them very cheap at the moment, and there'll be a link in the bio. I'll make it the first link in the description to allow you to go and get yourself a membership for like $10 a month. So as you can see, all we're going to do to start finding these niches is we're going to go into graphics, we're going to go into KDP interiors, and we're simply just going to look through all 4,000 pages, or as many as you want, in order to start finding really good niches. So one example of a really good niche that I found recently using this method was a debt payoff tracker. Now, currently consumer debt, credit card debt, car debts, these are at all-time highs. So people are going to be wanting to use these kind of journals. And yeah, this is just an amazing way to find niches, not necessarily to use these templates. Personally, I don't like using these templates myself on KDP, because everyone else is using them. I want to make my own. So, but this is just a great way to find niches. So if we just start looking through them, we've got a self-care planner. Okay, we're going to look for some more sort of untapped things. So money saving challenges. This looks quite cool. It's like an activity book, but only related to money. So unicorn activity pages, manifestation journal, 369 method. That's definitely a good niche. Let's keep going down. Fitness planner, budget planner, weight loss planner, gratitude journal for women. That's a great one. And if you can see this, right, we're currently sorted by popularity. So this may not be the best thing because these are the most commonly downloaded ones. Okay, so one thing we might actually want to do instead is filter by the latest. Now you can do either of these approaches and both will work fine. But doing this, you may find some more untapped ones, some more new ones. So this is a haiku journal. This could be a very good one. Obviously, you'd have to go and check on Amazon. Currently, I'm in a hotel room in London with no mic, but I'm still doing everything I can to bring you this video. But unfortunately, we're not going to get time to go and search these niches individually on Amazon, but you know how to do it. You know how to do it from my other videos. So just go and search haiku journal, see what the competition is like, see how many competing books there are, see how many reviews they have, see what the books are ranked, and yeah, from there, you know exactly what to do. So hardcover graduation guest book, that's really awesome. Kitchen recipes. Anti-Valentine's Day, that's definitely a good niche you could do. So for people who don't have a Valentine, who are single, then you can make a book for them. That's definitely a really cool niche you could do. Vacation rental, that's a guest book. Go to the next page. But as you can see, we're already starting to find some pretty cool stuff. We saw just acrylic pouring on the previous page, kawaii food. Keep going down. Let's see what we've got. Quinacera. This could be a definite niche. I'm not sure what it is. It's something Spanish by the sounds of it. Scissor skills, mood tracker, student planner, fishing logbook, volunteer logbook. So yeah, as you can see, guys, there's just a ton of different niches for you here. And yeah, great ideas. And like I say, I don't personally use these interiors myself. Unless you're going to customize them a lot, then I think KDP, I don't know how they wouldn't flag it if you're using the exact same interior as somebody else. It doesn't seem quite right. So just for me, what I would say is just take the niches, make your own, and yeah, from there you'll be absolutely golden. So in the next video, I'm going to show you my royalties for December. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.